So I have half my makeup on and I look like some sort of fetus, but good morning and welcome to...
camp.
Where are we again?
What?
Where are we? The Grand Canyon. We're in the Grand Canyon.
Wow. Well, I'm not in it, but close.
And I had a really good night's sleep. So I feel like a new woman. But this morning we could have gone hiking. I think I was the only one that had a good night's sleep, but it is fine.
Not rubbing it well.
Everyone else hadn't. Everyone else has gone hiking, but we're having like a girly pamper morning. And currently we're just doing French plaits. I'm doing my makeup. And we've all got like French, what are they called? Dutch braids or French braids? French braids.
Frenchies.
So we're gonna get a picture.
There's no French people on this trip.
No, there isn't.
Jeez,
I got C and G City. Really, is it not letting you?
Let me try it in one.
Oh God.
It's got a mind of its own.
Your hair is really thick though, isn't it? Yeah, you can see it.
What is the difference between inwards and outwards?
So
outwards is like that, how it sticks out.
Oh.
Inwards it just goes into your head.
Oh, outwards looks so much better.
Let me try once.
This is why I should do it too, and then.
Yeah.
Girls' morning.
I didn't lose a bet. I'm choosing to do this.
Should I do it out or in?
I think we
should do it out.
Out. You got to join us. I think we should do pigtails.
Yeah, I think too.
Yeah, too.
And then we can all get a picture with the back of our hair.
I think one into a bun.
But then
Does anyone care what I think?
Not really.
Oh, that's a good photo, yeah.
So today we're gonna head back. We're gonna backtrack a little bit, go down the road that the trailer was on fire on, and then head back towards Seligman. Seligman, Arizona is an old gold rush town. Back in the early 1900s, there was a big westward expansion, and a lot of these little towns popped up along Route 66 to provide people heading west with gas and accommodation and things like that. So it's old, it's historic, it's still there, it's preserved. We're gonna head through there, have lunch there, and then continue on to Kingman, Arizona to get booze for the party bus, and then make our way up to Vegas for tonight. That's the plan for the day. There was no real way to access the West, and in the East, agriculture was failing, and people wanted to get to California to seek gold and potentially strike rich. The government paper in '66, and along the way, these little cowboy towns, gold rush towns, popped up to accommodate people for overnight stays, gas, food, things like that. So, Lakeland, Williams, places like that. They seem like they're in the middle of nowhere, but it's because they're like checkpoints along the way to Route 66 on the way out to California.
Good morning and welcome back to our Trek America trip. I did actually start the vlog this morning, but it was really rushed and I don't think I even said where we were. So I'll insert the clips that I have from this morning after this segment. But I just wanted to say hello. We stayed last night at the Grand Canyon National Park. We camped. I bought an inflatable bed, as you would have seen, and it was so much comfier. I had the best night's sleep. We've now come along Route 66. We're en route to Las Vegas, which I'm so excited for because we've got 2 nights in a hotel in Las Vegas. We're doing a party bus. We are doing lots of fun stuff. So we've come along the famous Route 66 and we've stopped off at a little place that I think was the inspiration for the little area in the movie Cars. I think I've got that right. But we're gonna get some burgers and fries here and then head on out to Las Vegas. So yes, that's the plan for today.
Wow. Is it crazy? Wow. It's quite dark right there.
When she
Right.
Hey, can you do burrito with chicken?
Beef or beef?
Hi, 2 burgers and 2 cokes.
Cheese or no?
Animals.
Oh, okay.
Aw.
I rescued the horses, these goats, cows,
Really?
a lot of animals. 14.
14 animals, wow.
6 horses, 5 goats, 4 ex-wives, 3 cows, 2 dogs.
They're
They're
cute.
only 18 days old.
Are they really?
Aw.
Yeah, I've been bottle feeding them. Moms wouldn't feed them. Dad tried to kill them.
Really? You saved them.
Right now I'm getting ready to wean them. I'm starting to
Yeah.
eat grass and stuff.
Where are you headed to then?
I come here, I give rides all day long up and down Route 66.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Arrived in Las Vegas finally. We've had about a 5-hour drive to get here. We're very, very excited to be staying in a hotel tonight, and we've got a gorgeous room. We're staying at the Golden Nugget Hotel. Tonight we've got a party bus tour of Las Vegas with the whole group, and we're just very, very excited to just be chilling out and having a shower and our own bathroom and not having to get up at silly o'clock and go and walk to the toilet. Although actually I've really enjoyed camping. I wouldn't have been able to do it if I didn't have David with me, I think, because I am a bit of a wimp, but I've really, really enjoyed it, and it is really fun, and you do all bond together as a group really well. So if you're nervous about the camping aspect because you've never camped before, I don't know why it's so dark in here. 1 second. Okay, that's a bit better. If you are nervous about the camping aspect, don't be, because I am the biggest wimp there is, and if I can do it, you can do it. It's really, really fun. As I said, at night you all sit around the campfire. It's a really great bonding experience, and I feel like it's something to be proud of doing as well. You feel very at one with nature and very just like it's an achievement, but it's also really fun as well. So if you're nervous about that aspect, don't be. But anyway, I'm just waffling on. I'm not sleep deprived today, which is great. I am actually alive and well, but I think I'm just going to open my case, get changed because I feel like I've been in these clothes for too long, and then I think we're gonna go and find somewhere to eat. When I say we're gonna go and find somewhere to eat, it might take us a while because it's taken us about 10 minutes to get from the lift to our actual room. It is huge. So I shall let you know what we decide to do. I'm gonna have a shower, a long, relaxing, lovely shower, and then I really fancy a Mexican. I know we've had Mexican quite a lot this trip already, but I just feel like it's so much better in America. The guacamole is amazing, and that's what I fancy. So yeah, that's the plan. We have a full day in Las Vegas tomorrow, and then the following day we are heading up to Yosemite. So I'm going to enjoy the beautiful hotel room, the bathroom, the shower, the toilet that we don't have to walk. To be honest, our campsite was actually really good, and it wasn't that far from the toilets at all. It's probably a 2-minute walk, but it's all that unzipping of the tent makes you appreciate having a bathroom right next to your bed all the more. Anyway, I'm gonna get dressed and get ready and go and have something to eat and stop doing all these hand movements. So tonight we have our party bus tour around Las Vegas, which should be an amazing experience because we're not only going to be able to chill out and relax and dance on the party bus, but we're also stopping at some of Vegas's most iconic places. So places like the Welcome to Las Vegas sign. I'm trying to think of the other places. I think the Bellagio water fountain display. So it's going to be a really exciting night. I have just got myself ready, as you will be able to see, hopefully. I look slightly more presentable than my my camping attire. So I'm wearing this dress from In The Style and then some little gladiator sandals. And I'm in a bit of a rush, so I can't talk for long, but I'm just about to head down and meet everyone. Feeling so much better after a shower and cleaning my teeth in a bathroom, but it does make you appreciate hotel rooms more. So I'm going to stop waffling and I will see you downstairs or on the party bus. But we're not getting married. We're not. Sorry about that.
It's just, not today.
Not today. But we've come to witness other people's special days. I don't know. Why have we come here?
I don't know. I think it's just to see what Vegas has to offer. It's a little white chapel of tunnel of love.
We've got Elvis up there.
So there's an underground one.
Stay a little bit longer. Sorry, didn't mean to, but I heard you cannot do it to me. Stay. I know that we've been fighting. Can we just walk?
Hi to the bank.
What does that mean?
What is it?
Hi, how are you?
Oh.
What is it?
Say it. Oi. Oi. Tudo bem. Oi, tudo bem. Bang. That means hi, how are you?
Hi, babe.
Slow down.
Hi, babe.
We say I'm trying to make things right. I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. Don't know why. I realize when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to.